welcome to XL London. Let me help you make the most out of your visit.
We want you to get the most out of your visit, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Getting here is easy. Hop on the Elizabeth line, take the DLR, ride the cable car, or arrive in style by taxi. We also offer plenty of parking, including blue badge spaces. Just remember to pre-book to guarantee your space. Once you arrive, visit our welcome desk where our friendly team is ready to help. If you've reserved a wheelchair or mobility scooter, this is the place to collect it. Need a place for your belongings? Our cloakrooms are free to use throughout your visit. Feeling hungry? Take your pick from a variety of food and drink concessions, from well-known brands to local favourites. Grab a bite, catch up with friends or colleagues, and enjoy one of our many seating areas. When the sun is shining, step outside to our green spaces, perfect for some fresh air. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water refill stations are available throughout the venue. We've made sure that everything you might need is here. ATMs, a multi-faith room, Uno executive car kiosks, and even changing places facilities for our visitors with complex needs. Whether you're attending an event, a contractor in build, or feeding your baby, we've got you covered on your upcoming visit.
We look forward to welcoming you soon.